Have you ever wondered how the world's most successful investors find and analyze land deals that turn out to be gold mines? Today, we unravel the mystery behind the art and science of researching and analyzing potential land deals. Our journey begins with a simple yet critical step: identifying potential land deals. The world is vast and so are the opportunities. Be it a vacant plot in an upcoming suburb, a piece of farmland, or even a patch of wilderness in a remote location, each has its own potential for profit. The process starts by scouting various sources such as real estate listings, auctions, government land sales, and even word-of-mouth referrals. Once potential properties have been identified, the next step is a thorough examination of the land in question. This isn't just about the size or the location. It's about understanding the nuances that can significantly impact its value. Investigate the topography, soil quality, access to utilities, zoning laws, and potential environmental issues. Remember, information is power. What follows is the analysis of market trends. Real estate, like any other market, is subject to fluctuations. Understand the historical and current market trends of the area. Are property prices on an upward trajectory? What's the demand and supply situation? What are the future development plans for the area? These factors can greatly influence the profitability of your potential land deal. But the analysis doesn't end here. The next step is to understand the financial implications of the deal. Assess the purchase price, the costs of any required improvements, potential income from the land, and the likely selling price. It's crucial to crunch these numbers to ensure the deal makes financial sense. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the legal due diligence. This involves verifying the legal ownership of the land, checking for any liens or encumbrances, and ensuring there are no legal disputes associated with the property. Consulting with a real estate attorney during this step can save you from potential pitfalls down the road. So to summarize, researching and analyzing potential land deals involves a 5-step process. First, identify potential land deals from various sources. Second, perform a detailed examination of the land. Third, analyze the market trends. Fourth, understand the financial implications, and finally, conduct legal due diligence. Remember, every land deal is unique and requires a tailored approach. But with these steps, you are well equipped to navigate the complex world of land deals. The road to successful investing in land deals is paved with meticulous research and analysis. So, stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay patient. The perfect land deal could be just around the corner.